Okay.
Like the first one is this exterior angle theorem. In exterior angle theorem, you should just know that this exterior angle will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So if it is A, then this is B and this is C. So A is equal to B plus C. Okay. If it is an isosceles triangle, then in isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to equal sides are always equal. Okay. And rest is fine. We'll directly see the questions.
Yeah.
In the first question, you will just write 3x minus 40 is equal to 48 plus
That's
x.
X. Yeah.
2x is equal to 80
88. So X is equal to 40.
44. Next. AB is equal to AD is equal to DC.
Okay.
They all are equal.
So DC, not AC.
DC. So can we start?
So isn't B and isosceles triangle?
Yeah, they both will be isosceles triangle.
Yeah. So 18.
So look, this is 18. If this is 18, then this will also be 18.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I can get this angle. It will be 180 minus 36, which will be 144.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And
then
then you can find this angle 180 minus 144, right?
yeah, this will be how much?
36. So
36.
36 plus 36, and
This is
then 180
36.
minus 72 will be 108.
108. If triangle ABC in triangle ABC above, measure of A is equal to C. Both of them are same. What is the value of x? If both of them are same, then x square will be equal to 2x plus 15, so it's a quadratic. X square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0, 3 and 5. So x minus 5 and x plus 3 will be the factors. X will have two values, 5 and minus 3, but it is given in the question that if x is greater than 0. So I'll be accepting 5 only. Minus 3 is not taken. Answer will be only 5.
So why not minus 3? Because it's an angle.
No, because it's given in the
Oh
question.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, we would have taken it. There's no problem.
Okay.
Okay, next. AC is perpendicular to BC. This is 30. This will be 30.
Opposite angles.
Yeah.
Sir, why can't you just do like
And then 55 plus 90, it will be 145. This will be 35. B is the exterior angle for both of them. So B will be equal to 30 plus 35.
65?
65. What you were thinking?
Nothing. I just no, yeah, that doesn't make.
Okay, next.
Isn't this is very similar to like the second question?
Yeah.
Mm,
26. This is also 26.
it'll be 76.
180 minus. I can write this directly as 52. 52. 76 is
76.
correct. Okay. Pythagoras theorem and special right triangles. Okay. Nothing unusual over here. We'll directly see the questions. So in the figure above, AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BD. Both of them are 2 root 3. What is the length of AB?
What? AB.
AB.
Which one is the so
Look at the diagram carefully and try to think.
thirty?
Okay, look. This
I
is
don't know.
30. This is 30.
Yeah.
Both these sides are equal, so this will also be 30.
That'll be 120, yeah.
And now, before that, look at the bigger triangle. In the bigger triangle, this is 30, this is 90. So overall, this will be how much?
60.
60. Okay, so this will be 30 only. Okay, now what they are asking? They are asking the value of AB. So you can use sine rule as well. Can
Yeah.
you? Sine rule can be used.
Yeah.
So I'll be using sine rule only. Sine 120 divided by AB is equal to sine 30 divided by 2 root 3.
So why sine 120?
60, 60, this will be 120.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm using sine rule in ADB only. But yeah, you can
Yeah.
use in the bigger triangle as well.
Okay.
Okay. Try to get the answer from this.
So I got 6.
Okay. Sine 120 is same as sine 60. Sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. So 2 root 3 times root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 6 is correct. In the triangle ABC above, BD is root 3. What is the perimeter of triangle ABC?
So you have to find all the outside angles.
Yeah, we need to find all the sides.
So, sir, first you can find AB by the sine rule.
Rather use SOHCAHTOA. Don't you think that will be easier? You can use sine rule also, but SOHCAHTOA will be easier. We need to find AB. So I will write sine 30 is equal to root 3 over AB.
Yeah.
Okay, so AB is root 3 by 1 by 2. So that will be 2 root 3. I got AB as 2 root 3. Then I will use that cos for getting
Yeah.
AD.
AD. Yeah.
I can also use tan 30. Okay. So 2 root 3 cos 30, root 3 by 2. So this will be 3. Then to get BC, I can use sine once again. BC will be root 3 over root 3 by 2. So BC is 2. And then 2 cos 60. 2 times 1 by 2, this is 1. So
Oh,
4
wait.
plus 2 plus 2 root 3.
So I'm a little bit confused.
In which part you are confused?
AD.
AD. Okay. For AD, I have used. In physics, have you done vectors?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you have done vectors, you can save your time applying it over here.
Yeah.
In vectors, we have seen that if this is A, then this will be A cos theta and this will be A sin theta. Have you done this? Components of vectors.
Uh, no, I have not done that.
Then what you have done in vectors? This is the most important part.
Vectors in mechanics where we like
In you have
like
done
finding
A
the
cos A sin.
huh?
You haven't done A cos A sin in mechanics in physics.
A cos A sin. No, not
Okay,
that.
no worries. So learn it now. Okay, I'll tell you how it is written. It is easy. One time you can just understand, learn it, and then next time onwards you can write directly.
Yeah.
Say this point is x comma y on the
Yeah.
graph. Okay, so this will be x and this will be y.
Yeah.
Okay, angle is theta, and this is just made exactly on the graph.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I want to get x value in the triangle, I will be using cos theta.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'll do, like, can I write x over a? X over a is equal to cos theta.
Mm, yeah.
Like adjacent over hypotenuse is cos theta. So that will give me
Yeah.
the value of x as a cos theta.
Yeah.
Now onwards, I can start writing this as a cos theta. It will always be like this.
Yeah.
Okay. In physics, if you have done force, equilibrium of force, it is used everywhere over there. If it is not yet covered, they will for sure cover. Or if it is covered and you don't know, then you should know it.
Yeah.
Okay? It can happen that it is covered, but you don't remember. So for the other one, I will write y over a is equal to sine theta. So y will be a sine theta. So now
So I
onwards,
know
I
this.
write this as a sine. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now if I just write it down in that way, then look, I have 2 root 3. So what
Yeah.
I did, I use this 2 root 3 and this angle theta, and I have written it as 2 root 3 cos 30.
Yeah.
Cos 30 is root 3 by 2.
Yeah.
So root 3 times root 3 will be 3, and that 2 will be cancelled. So that will give me 3 directly.
Okay.
The same logic I used over here. First, I got this value as 2, BC
Okay.
value as 2, and then to get the value of DC, I used 2 cos 60.
Okay.
Okay, so
Right.
that will give me 1.
Oh.
Okay, and then we need to just add all the sides. So in the base, we have 3, 1. At the top, it is 2 root 3, and over here it is 2. Add all of them, you'll get 6 plus 2 root 3.
Yeah.
6 plus 2 root 3 is option B.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see how I'm solving these questions?
Yeah.
That should be the approach, and that should be the speed with which you also have to solve.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So be mentally prepared that these questions can eat up your time if you will like spend more and more on that. Okay. And high chances that this will like either you will do all the questions in panic, or these questions will can very easily make you leave minimum 3 4 questions in maths, like you will not be able to attempt it on time. Okay, so try to do them faster. These are time eaters. They will eat up your time. Okay, in the figure above, AB is 6, BC is 8, CD is 5. What is the length of AD? Look, AC is a common hypotenuse for both the triangles. That is the logic.
Yeah.
Try to get the answer. I'll wait for your answer for this question.
Okay. I tried.
But still I will solve. Look, you didn't had to find AC. Okay, you have to just see it over here that AC is acting as a common hypotenuse for both. So you can just directly write like this: AB square plus BC square is equal to AD square plus DC square.
Oh.
Okay. Both of them are equal to AC square, so why to write that? We can equate them. Now AB square is 36, BC square is 64, AD we need to find. So AD square as it is and DC square will be 25. 36 plus 64 is 100. 100 minus 25 is 75. 75 in the square root will give me 5 root 3.
Okay.
You should have got it correct. You can see that this is a chapter where you are facing problem. It is not difficult, but I don't know what is the reason.
So
Okay.
it's the, like I know how to do it. It's just sometimes they use different methods and I don't know the method. Like I just can't think of that method. Like
Okay.
in the last question, I I I didn't know, like, I didn't think of this way. You
Okay.
know.
So how did you do it?
So I first found AC and then I used the sine rule to find the angle of
Oh.
like that.
You should always think that if in such an exam like SAT, if you have to do that much, it means there is something which is wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, take it in that way. Even in exam also, if you find like in any question you are spending more time, na, you should better leave it and move on to the next question.
Yeah.
Okay, these questions will never take that much time and that much effort.
Yeah.
Okay, perimeter of ABC. A and C are equal. I can get the angle first. Okay, look. Since it is equal, so it's an isosceles triangle. In an
Yeah.
isosceles triangle, this line,
Those.
like BD bisects AC. Oh wow, that is well given. So then we can take it as 7 directly.
Yeah.
And then we will use Pythagoras theorem to get the value of AB. No need to get angle also. So AB
Yeah.
will be under root of 7 square, that is 49, plus 4 root 2 square. So 16 to the 4 square is 16, 16 to the is 32. So that will be 51, 81, and that will be 9.
Right.
9, 9, and 14. Answer will be 18 plus 14, 32.
Yeah.
Okay. This speed and this clarity will take time. Okay. So, like, choice is yours. You should spend more time on these type of questions. Like, you know the source of these questions. Okay. So you can even search them and you can even try a few concepts on your own wherever you get on the internet. Okay. Only for this particular topic. Similar triangles and proportional part. Are you aware with the concept of similar triangles?
You, like kind of like
Look, in similar triangles, any two angles, if they are equal, then we can say triangles are similar. And in
yeah.
that case, the corresponding sides will be in proportion. Now, the
Okay.
only challenge over here is you need to identify the corresponding sides properly.
Yeah.
Okay, like for example, this AB and DE are corresponding.
Yeah. So it's
EC
but
and CE are corresponding, and CE and AC are corresponding.
yeah.
Okay, so that is giving me an idea that this is 2:1 ratio, 6
Yeah.
and 2:1. Okay,
Okay.
so if the value of BD is 12, the whole BD is 12, we need to find AE. Okay, if BD is 12, can you divide BD in the ratio of 2:1?
Yeah.
How do we do that? How do we divide any length in a ratio?
Uh Yeah. Sorry. The ratio of uh, so it doesn't make sense how it'll be 9 and 3.
You don't have to do the guesswork. There is a way with which we can do it.
So what?
Let's say I'll tell you that method. If A is to B is the ratio,
Yeah.
okay, look, if there is any length which is divided in the ratio of A is to B,
Yeah.
okay, this is the ratio. Try to
Yeah.
understand. Okay, so first thing is, I can, like, this is what 2 is to 1 ratio. So I can write this as 2x and 1x, and then overall length is 3x, and 3x will be written as how much? 12. So that will give me the value of x as how much? 4.
4.
So that will give me the length of BC as 8,
8.
and this will be 4. That
Yeah.
is one of the way. Okay. One more way is that if this ratio is 2 is to 1, then you can write the length of BC as 2 over 2 plus 1 times of BD.
Yeah.
Have you done this before or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so then try to do the next thing. We need to get both the hypotenuse to get AE value.
Isn't hypotenuse like easy? No?
AC and CE you have to find separately, and then you will get the answer.
So 15.
8 and 6, this will be 10, 3 and 4, this will be 5, so 15 is correct. Okay, try this question.
So, hmm. So aren't BC and like CD, can't you find like the ratio with that?
Yeah, we can find the ratio, and then we can apply the same ratio in that. What is the ratio of BC and CD?
Uh, it's third. What?
16 upon 10 is how much?
It's 1.6.
Array, write it down in the form of ratio. 1.6, how, what will you do with that?
Oh yeah. So it'll be like 8 to 5.
8 is to 5 is correct. Now, if 8 is to 5 ratio is there over here, then 8 is to 5 will be here also.
Yeah. So
Okay. So I need
uh
to get AC. So AC will be 8 over 8 plus 5 times AE, but I don't have AE, but I
it'll be
have,
17.6.
okay, 5 over 8 plus 5 times AE is 11. So from here we can get the value of AE as 11 times 13 by 5. How much you are getting?
Uh, uh, I
One,
got 17.6.
143. What's wrong in this
So you
calculation?
get 28.6 from this.
Wait.
So I
16.
did like uh 11 over 5 is equal to 8 over x and then cross multiply.
That will be better. How much you are getting?
17.6.
So prefer that method only. Why I didn't do that? Okay, I was doing a longer method in this question. So 11 times 5 over 8. Is it?
So 11 times 8 over 5.
It will be 5 over 8. Okay, next. If DE is parallel to AC, then there was one theorem called as basic proportionality theorem.
Okay.
Okay, so as per basic proportionality theorem, if there is a line which is parallel to one side of a triangle, it will intersect the two sides in such a way that they are in proportion. So basically, 12 by 8 will be equal to 7.8 over y. Okay, also that will be equal to 9 over x.
So
So from here you can get the value of x. You can
six.
get y also.
How so? But if you cross like 12 over 8 is equal to 9 over x. When you cross multiply, you get 6.
Okay, wait. This is basic proportionality theorem.
Yeah.
Okay. Then if you look at both the triangles carefully, it will be 12 over the bigger side is 20. Okay. Is equal to 9 over x. From here you'll get the value of x properly. Okay. Which triangle I am taking? This one,
Yeah.
this one, and the whole big triangle.
Um,
So for the smaller triangle side is 12. For the bigger one, 12 plus 8. So 12 by 20 is equal to smaller 9 by x. That will give you the answer correctly.
15.
Okay. And to get the value of y, you can use this only.
Yeah.
So it will be,
So, but wait, why do you use 20 here and 8 there? So,
okay. Over there, we are just talking about these sides. Corresponding sides are in proportion.
okay.
But below, we are using similar triangle property. Similar triangle means the sides are in proportion. So side of smaller is 12 and the bigger will be 12 plus 8, that is 20.
Yeah.
What is the value of y? Okay, so y value will be 2.6, 5.2. Okay, just check it out. The y value should be 5.2. You can still have a look at this. You calculate yourself.
You get 5.2.
Okay. Next is area of triangle. So for area of triangle, half base into height is for sure. Okay. But for an equilateral triangle, if you use the same half base into height, you get root 3 by 4 a square. So
That's the formula, right?
that is like a formula, but it has been obtained from half base into height only.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, this one theorem you should know. Ratio of areas of two triangle will always be equal to the ratio of squares that correspond.
Squared, yeah. And volume is cubed.
Cubed, correct. So here I think we will be like using only area. So in the figure, the area of right triangle is 60. What is the perimeter of ABC?
So this, oh no, it's not that. So if you think about it, the 1/2 times 15 times x is equal to 60.
1/2 times 15 times AC is equal to 60.
AC will be 8.
AC is 8. If this is 8, then we can get AB,
Oh yeah,
Pythagoras theorem.
40. So I'm so stupid. So I got 17, and then I'm like, what do I do now? I just had to add them.
Okay, so
40.
how much you are getting?
40.
Okay. Question number 2. In triangle ABC above, if BD was increased by 50% and AC was reduced by 50%, how would area of triangle will change? Okay, so originally area of triangle is half AC BD.
Yeah.
Now the area of triangle will be AC is what? AC is reduced by 50%. So I will write 0.5 AC.
Yeah.
Okay. And BD is increased by 50%. So I'll write 1.5 BD. Okay. So just we will be focusing on these numbers only. Okay. 1/2 will not be taken because that is a part of original expression
Yeah.
also.
So
So
you can
0.5
cancel it out.
times 1.5. It will be how much? 0.75.
Yeah.
So it will be reduced by 25%, decreased by 25%. Answer will be A.
Oh,
Why reduced?
because 1 minus 0.75.
Because it is
1
basically
is original.
it is basically 75% left. So it is reduced by 25%. Okay. Third one. Area of triangle ABC. So if you remember that vector concept which I told you, you can do it faster.
Yeah. So to find AD, you can just do cos 30 times 12.
Correct. And both the side it is 12, 12 only and 30, 30 only. So can I write it down as 2 times 12 times cos 30?
So you get 24 plus 12 radical 3.
24 plus.
12 radical 3.
We don't have to find the area. Or we don't have to find the perimeter.
Oh yeah. But don't you have to find BD for the height?
Now we have to find BD also. So for that, what we will do? We'll use that sine theta one. Okay. 12 sine
Yeah.
30. So half
12 sin 30 is 6.
24 root 3 by 2 times 6.
So you don't get 24 radical 3 times.
Base will be 24 root 3 by 2. That will be
You get 12 radical 3.
12 root 3. It's fine. When you will solve it, you'll get the same answer. Okay.
Yeah.
I just didn't solve it. I just kept the raw value only. So in
Yeah.
the end, you should get the answer as 36 root 3.
Yeah. What's it?
Figure shows right triangle ABC and three squares if area of first is 80 square. Okay. So this is root 80. No, this is root 80. Okay. Second one is this is root 150. Which of the following is true about the area of square region 3? Okay, so we need to use Pythagoras to get AB. So AB square will be equal to square of both of them. So that will be 230. And AB will be AB square. AB square is basically area also. So it will be equal to 230 square inches.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like difficult question, but it is not. It's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are done with this chapter as well. In parallelogram PQRS, PT is x plus 2y. Okay, let me remind the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so PT is equal to TR, ST is equal to TQ, and opposite angles are also equal in a parallelogram. All these properties will be used for the question.
And like 1 equal to 3, then like
1 is also equal to 3, alternate interior angle.
yeah. And like all the cells if you know.
Okay, so now like PT is given, ST is given, PR is 32.
Yeah.
So half of PR will be PT. So my first equation will be x plus 2y is equal to 6.
16.
Okay, then half of SQ. They have given TQ. So TQ and ST are same only.
Yes, we
Okay.
can add them,
No,
I
we
think.
don't have to add. We'll directly write ST 8x minus y is equal to 26 because they are
So
same.
what? Isn't TQ? Oh, okay.
Diagonals bisect each other. Okay.
Oh,
So TQ is same as ST and PT is same as TR.
yeah.
Okay, over there the whole diagonal was given, so we need to half it up.
Oh,
This time they
yeah,
have
yeah,
given
yeah.
half only. Now we need to solve them simultaneously and get x and y values. I'll be waiting.
Oh,
Solve.
let's simplify.
So 16x minus 2y is equal to 52. Then we will add them. So 17x is equal to 62, 68.
4.
4 is correct. Putting that in the first equation, 2y is equal to 16 minus 4, that is 12. So 2y is equal to 12 will give me y is equal to 6. Now
Yeah.
measure angle PQR. Before that, we have to move ahead in the question. Measure of angle 2 is 10A. This is 10A. Angle 3 is A square minus 7. PRS is 4A. They are asking PQR. PQR means this plus this. So A square minus 7 plus 10A. PQR will be A square plus 10A minus 7. We can leave it in this form only.
Okay.
Okay. Then QRS. QRS you try to find. QRS.
QRS. Sir, can you repeat what you did for number 3?
Alternate interior angles.
Okay. And what's number 4 again? Like the question? QRS?
QRS, we need to find this whole thing.
So, but like you have 4A, but like what do you equal it to? Like to find something.
Okay. There is one property of a parallelogram. Co-interior angles are supplementary.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. So this and this, they are co-interior angles.
They are?
So it's a parallelogram, no? So it is same as these two parallel lines. So they are co-interior angles.
Okay. Okay.
So a square plus 10a minus 7 plus 4a plus x. Let it be x,
Yeah.
not x. We can use theta because x is already used. Plus theta is equal to 180. Okay. We actually don't have to find theta because they are asking QRS. So you can even work on QRS as a whole. This 4a plus theta is angle QRS. That will be 180 minus
Uh,
12
is
plus 10a minus 7. Okay, so that will be 180 plus 7, 187 minus a square minus 10a. That will be the answer.
so you don't like simplify or anything?
No, it is not required. We can leave it in this form.
So but like in the exam, how am I supposed to know if I leave it like this or like do more?
So for that, you need to understand what they are asking. They are asking measure of QRS.
Okay.
Measure means they are just asking the expression.
Okay.
If you will do the simplification, what you will do? You will try to factorize it.
Yeah.
There is no use for that, okay, because they are asking this expression only. So like
Yeah.
answer to your question, there is no proper way to identify whether you need to solve it or you need to leave it like this. That will come only by basic understanding. We can call it as common sense.
Yeah.
Okay, no concrete method. Third is done. Fourth is done. Fifth, QTR. QTR. So for QTR, we need to get theta.
So isn't like QT basically a 90 degrees angle?
No, no, no. Don't go with the appearance.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Diagrams are not to be scaled.
Uh, sir, but mm,
Okay, if we have got this QRS, from QRS you can subtract minus 4a, like you can just do minus 4a. So 187 minus a square minus 10a minus 4a. So 187 minus a square minus 14a is this angle, theta.
yeah,
Okay, plus 10a plus angle QTR is equal to 180. Look in the triangle QTR,
yeah,
okay, and see that how it is written. First, we got the value of theta, okay. After getting the value of theta, we are just using angle sum property. That's it, okay. So this will be 187. Like everything, you can send on the other side. So angle QTR is equal to 180 minus 187 will be minus 7
yeah,
plus a square, and this is minus 4 on the other side will become plus 4. So a
yeah,
square plus 4a minus 7.
yeah.
Okay, so that is QTR.
Okay.
Question was difficult because there was no values. It was all
with
for
the
A.
letters.
Yeah, but the concepts used are simple. So just
Yeah.
focus on concept. Okay, now rhombus. There are few things about rhombus which you should know. First, rhombus is a parallelogram. The diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at
Yeah.
90 degree. So this is 90 degree and it is given as well in the question.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, the area of rhombus is half d1 d2, product of its diagonal. So
Yeah.
what we will do, we have one of the diagonal as 8. Can you see that 4 plus 4?
Yeah.
And this triangle DEC is a right angle triangle where DC is hypotenuse. We have 4. So I can get this side. This will come out as 3. Now since it is
Yeah.
a parallelogram, so diagonal bisect each other. So this is also 3.
So
Diagonal
it's
CD is 6. AC is 8.
8. So
Half D1 D2 is my formula. And I
it's
get it very easily.
24.
Clear?
Yeah. So
Any
what's the
question about
formula for
for what?
area of parallelogram?
Base into height. So base will be 20. To get the
Yeah.
height, you have to use Pythagoras theorem to get.
Yeah. So 15 squared minus 9 squared.
So 225 minus 81.
So 12.
Okay. So base is 20, height is 12. It will be 240.
Not 40.
Okay.
So yeah. 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 No. Yeah.